7 a.m. on this beautiful Saturday morning. 1984 barbecue here. Today we're going to be doing a whole beef brisket on the Weber kettle. I'm excited, never done this before, and we're using Kingsford Long Burning Briquets. Never used these before. Excited to use them. Let's get started, guys. Alright guys, welcome back. Just wanted to show you real quick how I got my kettle set up. I got me a drip pan here, and I've got my Slow and Sear Plus in. I got water in the trough there. I got some about 20-25 briquettes in there, getting heated up, as you can tell. We're also going to be using some post oak, Texas post oak I got from fruitwoods.com. I'll leave a link down below for them. But look how thick that is, guys. I used about 3 chunks of this today on this cook. We're cooking about a 13.5-pound brisket. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to get some more coals put in here. It's unlit. Get this grate in. Get my temperature set. We'll come back when we get ready to put this brisket on. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. I'll let you see this brisket. We got it on. Just put it on here. As you can see, it takes up the majority of my 22.5-inch. I've got my post oak on here right now. We were running about 242 degrees, and so like I said, as you can tell, my probe thermometer's right there. I got the thickest part of it towards the fire. This way we're running Kingsford long burning. So I'll bring you back about an hour or so. We'll show you what it looks like, guys. Stay tuned. Hey guys, sorry about that. I meant to tell y'all too. The brisket being on, we are using, I injected it last night with Butcher's Barbecue Prime Dust, and I seasoned it with Heaven Made Products Texas Best Brisket Rub. So that's what it's using. I used it all, I injected it and seasoned it and left it in the refrigerator all night, and that's what we're using on this brisket. We're just a little bit, we're probably a little over an hour now on this. Been running steady about 240. Go ahead and take a look at this brisket. Man, oh man, that's looking good. Alarm's going off because of the temp being open. I'm just going to give us a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, William Pepper's Worcestershire sauce, and some Jim Beam bourbon. I'm going to go ahead and put that back on there like so. Alright guys, welcome back. It's been about 5 hours now, and our brisket's hit 161 internal. I like the way the bark is. It's set. We've been running real steady 240, 248. So anyways guys, let's take a look at this brisket. Alright guys, going to take a look at this brisket here. Still got plenty of coals left in there. Look at that. I don't know if you guys see that, but that bark is just freaking phenomenal, guys. Look at that. It's a beaut. Alright guys, we're going to get this wrapped, and we're going to put it back on the Weber kettle. Alright guys, welcome back. My phone's holding it down. It's a little windy out here. We're going to take some more of our Heaven Made Products Texas Best Brisket Rub. I'm really going to add a little more seasoning to this, folks. Put a light little coating over it. We got the bark where we want, but it's just adding flavor is all it's doing. It's adding a little flavor to it. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Alright. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I've got a mixture of Worcestershire sauce and Jim Beam bourbon mixed together. And I'm just going to spritz what's left of this out. Just kind of empty that out there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to kind of make a boat. Okay? Kind of lift this up to kind of keep it in there like so. So we're just going to spread the rest of this mixture just kind of right around it here. Alright guys, let's get this. This smells really incredible, man. It smells really good. I'm gonna double wrap this up in foil. Okay. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up on the other side of the foil and put it back on the Weber, guys. We're back. Move this camera a little bit. There we are. We're back. Got our brisket wrapped. I turned it around. Okay. So we're gonna stick it right back into where we had it, just kind of right in there, like that. All right. So we're gonna put our top back on. As you can tell, still got plenty of coals. I don't know if y'all can see those or not. We still got plenty of coals over here. So go ahead. We're gonna put that there. Alright, guys. Sorry about that. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to let this go till it hits 200 degrees. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. It took about 5 hours for it to set the bark and get to where I want it on here. We've been running a steady temperature of anywhere between 200 and 40 degrees has been about where it's at. Okay, so anyways, we're going to let this get to 200 degrees. I'll bring you back. Guys, welcome back. 1984 Barbecue here. John with you. Alright guys, it's been a little over 8 hours. We're about 8 hours and a half, 8.5 hours in. The briskets hit 202 according to the thermal work smoke, and the pit right now is down to 229.4. I haven't touched anything since I put it back in on the wrap. Let's take a look, shall we? Still got some coals to go in here. Still got some heat. Go ahead and shut that down because we don't need that on there. We're going to take and pull our thermometer out here, and we're going to probe for some tenderness. Let's see what we got tender wise. I'm going to leave that alone. I was going to unwrap it, but we're going to 207, 202, like butter 205. 204, let's get to the very point, 209, 207, 202. Alright, so across the board we're even with the thermal pin, and it went in really smooth. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to take this off here. I'm going to take it inside. I'm going to unwrap the aluminum foil around it, let some of that steam out, the heat. Then I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put it in fresh aluminum foil, wrap it up in a towel, and put it in a cooler to rest for a while. And I'm going to take the juices that's in here and I'm going to strain them through my fat separator. Alright, so we'll see you when we get ready to cut into this brisket. I meant to tell you what though is these charcoals, alright, these coals. I want to show you what we got left in these coals, okay? So hang on here, let me get my lid off. We still got fire. We're still running right about 230 something. I have a oven thermometer. Let me just show you guys real quick here. Kind of put you down there. Alright. Now, I don't know if you can see this or not. I'm going to try to get you in there. There. We still got coals, guys. I mean, we still have coals burning. I have not added a single coal this entire cook from this morning. And I started this at 7:30 and I just pulled it off at 4 o'clock. So about 8.5 hours on that brisket. But we still have good heat. I mean, like I said, we were still running 230 some odd degrees when I pulled this lid off. So I'm going to see how long it goes before we just completely just run out of stuff. Okay, so let me get you back up here to me. Alright. There. Alright, anyways, guys, I'll bring you back when we get ready to slice this brisket up. But I just wanted to tell you that. And the coals that I used, Kingsford Long Burning. My new go-to for when I do long cooks on this Weber kettle. This stuff is awesome. Did really well in the Slow and Sear. Here's our brisket. Been resting for about an hour and a half. Look at that bark. Hope y'all can see that bark. Man, it's beautiful. It's still steaming hot. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get ready to slice into this. Alright, so I'm going to turn this so I can see what I'm doing. Hopefully you can see me do this, okay? We're going to start here and start making our cuts. I'm going to do one more here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's really juicy. Oh man, did you guys see that? It passed the bend test and it pulled right apart. Man, oh man. Do a little taste test here, guys. Oh, we're a little sideways there. Hang on, guys. Direct the camera there. There we go. You guys can see that or not? Good taste test. Mmm. 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 Okay. Magnificent. It wasn't dry. It pulled right apart. Probably a little more than I wanted it to do, but beautiful. Okay. Couldn't ask for a better brisket. I mean, just look at the. I mean, it's got a nice smoke ring. You guys can see that. It's got a nice smoke ring. I mean, this is just lovely, guys. It's lovely. Let's do a quick review of what we did. We trimmed this brisket up last night. We injected it with Butcher's Barbecue Prime Dust. We hit it with Heaven Made Products' Texas Best Brisket Rub. Let it sit overnight. We put it on the Weber Kettle because it's impromptu. We ran it on the Slow and Sear Plus using Kingsford Long Burning, which is actually still burning 10 hours later. And it just dropped to 200 degrees. Still burning. Alright. This was a great cook, guys. This was a choice brisket. I injected it. Very good brisket. Anyways, guys, I'm going to eat this. Family's starving. If you like what you see here at 1984 Barbecue, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. I'll leave all my social media links down in the description box, along with the products I used in this video. Y'all take care, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.